Amazed if yours bucks that trend. I feel pretty confident in this. These multi-clutch automatics normally quite good, so we'll see how it goes.
Okay, before we get into that though, shall we do a sound check? So I'm going to rev up my BMW. And it's got fake noise on the inside, but it does actually sound quite good on the outside. Put your window down. Yeah, have a listen.
Got a few little murmurs, little burbers.
Go on, let's have a listen to your soft limiter.
Literally, the minute it hits just under 4,000, red light, red light.
Audi, my question to you is, if BMW can have no soft limiter, why do you have to have one? I don't understand. Now let's go for the Mercedes.